Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the details and summary tags. So now you're gonna ask what that are. So think about as this. What this does is additional to a user can view and hide latest or elements which can change by demand. So and unless you add the summary tag with it, you can't set that. So how are we gonna do that? Just go and remove all of that. Use the details, and I will remove that because the attribute was open, which literally means that is that gonna open or close, like that kind of thing. So next thing is summary. You need to put the summary tag inside that, and what we're gonna do is type copyright from 1999 to 2018. Irony is that I don't even born in 1999. So after that you need to do a p tag. What I'm gonna do is by Shad Ali, and all right result, all right reserved, and dot, the way you always do, right? And then what you need to do is do another p tag, and all content content uh, belongs to Assad Ali. Please don't copy it, even though these are yeah, you can upload copying my videos. That's not because I do always do this kind of thing. So copy, please don't copy. Yeah. And when you do that, you can see there is nothing which are written now, but the moment we click that, you can see where is that inside, and you can toggle switch between those two. So this is what it does. This is the pop-up use case of this scenario. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.